Hello guys, I'm Marcella, and today I'm here to warn you about a product that's being widely discussed on the internet, and I can affirm that it's not for everyone. It is intended for people who are truly in search of losing weight in a healthy way. So today I'm here recording a video because I realized that people don't know much about the LeanBiome. So stay tuned until the end of this video because you're going to be learning so much more about LeanBiome. I'm going to be telling you the whole truth about it, and also, I have some important things to share with you guys about LeanBiome before you actually purchase it, so you do not regret your purchase afterwards, all right? So stay tuned until the end, guys, and let me begin by telling you this. LeanBiome has an official website, and on the official website is the only place where you can get the original LeanBiome from, so keep an eye out for fakes, all right? There are many people taking advantage of LeanBiome online, so that's why I'm here to help you. And I'm going to leave their official website just below this video in the description box, okay? You can be checking out that link once you finish watching this video. Alright, LeanBiome is a powerful dietary formula that works to fight unnecessary weight gain from its root cause. According to their official website, the product is safe and has zero side effects because it is 100% natural, guys. Unlike other weight loss products, LeanBiome focuses on the root cause of belly fat. So weight gain is a result of a gut microbiome imbalance. When that happens, it slows down the metabolic process in our bodies. It increases hunger and food cravings while accumulating fat. LeanBiome is designed to reverse that process, leading to effective weight loss. So this supplement is available in small, easy-to-swallow capsules that deliver the 9 proven lean bacteria strains. Besides, it helps users maintain their health and wellness even without dietary or rigorous exercises. It delivers the right type of lean bacteria to help eliminate uncontrollable cravings for junk food. So keep that in mind, guys, all right? And something really nice about LeanBiome is that you can test it before you actually start doing the treatment. It has a 180-day money-back guarantee. Now, what that means is that you can test it for 180 days, and within 180 days, if you don't like it, couldn't get the results you wanted, or whatever your reasons may be, you can just ask for a refund, and they will give you 100% of your money back. So you really don't need to worry about purchasing it, right? It is a win-win situation, guys. And now remember this, the minimal treatment is 3 months, all right? But if you really want to use up all its benefits and actually have great results, you should take LeanBiome for up to 6 months, all right? So keep that in mind. Well, guys, that's what I wanted to talk to you about. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Remember to check out their official website. Over there, you can read people's feedback and how their experience was with it. You can read more about its natural ingredients and things like that. Thank you so much, and I hope you guys have an awesome day. See you soon.